Hi guys! Gandang morning dito sa work. Friday today, 5:45 a.m. Mag-aalas 6 ng umaga. So, hindi pa bisihan ngayon, pero natapos ko ng aking paperwork sa office. And then, after nito, magpupul ako ng mga donuts to bake. And that's how I start my day. Good evening dyan. Morning pala dito guys. Evening sa atin dyan sa Pinas na naman. Ang bilis ng araw. Kailan lang Monday, ngayon Friday na ulit. Which is good kasi off tayo tomorrow and sa Sunday. Saturday, Sunday wala tayong work and walang school ang mga bata. So pahinga tayo. So, 100% mapupunta ako sa gym later. Cause you took my life. Oh, you took my life. Oh, 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 oh. It was a crazy Friday morning, guys. Crazy Friday morning. There's a lot going on. From the closer na hindi nagsarado ng maayos hanggang sa drawers. Done. Love you guys. You all have a great day. Bye.